Hi, everybody. I've had a few messages from people asking me if I can make a video to show them how they can share playlists from a YouTube channel. So I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you how. It's nice and simple. So first of all, navigate to the YouTube channel from where you want to share a playlist. So here I'm on my own channel, Built by Pete, and then click on the playlist tab if that channel has created playlists, and then just search for the playlist you want to share. So I'm going to share this one, which is my Asus router playlist, and then just click on view full list. Once you're there, on the left-hand side, there's a little arrow icon. Just click on that, and that's going to give you some share options. So along the top, there's a list of social media platforms where you can share directly, or if you look here, there's actually a long URL which you can then copy and paste into your own app. So here, if I just press copy, and just to show you what that will do, if I open up another tab in Chrome and paste that into the URL bar and press enter, you can see that takes me straight to that dedicated playlist. So then you can use this URL in an email or via WhatsApp or whatever medium you want to do. So it's really simple to share a playlist. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everybody.